Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Before you even get into the video, let's take a second and look at how beautiful these curls came out on my Microlocs. This is my second set of pipe cleaner curls on my Microlocs, and I am so in love with pipe cleaner curls. They are literally my favorite curls to do on my locks. So starting off to prep, you're going to make sure you have your pipe cleaners, spray bottle with water, a lightweight mousse, and sectioning clips or hair ties to keep your locks separated. I also like to make sure my locks are freshly washed and completely dry before starting. Another tip is to go ahead and pre-prep all your pipe cleaners before starting so that once you start you can actually be in flow, because the process is relatively repetitive and that way you don't have to keep stopping and prepping pipe cleaner curls as you go. So now that you've taken care of all of that good stuff with prepping your pipe cleaners and your locks, you're ready to get started actually installing your pipe cleaners. I like to start by misting my locks with water and then applying a little bit of mousse. Mousse is definitely optional. You can achieve this look without using mousse. I just like to use mousse for a better hold. And once my locks are saturated with the mousse, I'm ready to begin wrapping my locks up the pipe cleaner. So as you can see here, sometimes one or two locks may be shorter than the other locks, and with that all you do is roll up the longer locks around the pipe cleaner and feed in that shorter lock as you saw me just do. One of the important things is making sure you're keeping the same amount of tension as you roll up the lock, so make sure it's not looping and actually a slight pull on your locks as you roll up. Now I will remind you that this can be a little taxing on your arms, but I didn't mind because I knew the results would be worth it. So along with keeping tension as you roll up, you want to make sure that you're not rolling all the way up to your scalp. Doing this will make it so uncomfortable for you to sleep in your pipe cleaners. So just make sure you are leaving at least an inch or half an inch at your scalp. Also, if your locks are a little bit longer, you may have to slide your locks down the pipe cleaner as you're rolling up to keep from running out of space to wrap your locks. Just like this, very simple, and you can do that as many times as you need to make sure you're wrapping all of your locks. So since my Microlocs are kind of on the thicker side, I use 4 locks per pipe cleaner, and then for my smaller locks around the perimeter and my nape, I was able to do 5 locks and still get the desired curl size that I wanted. And you may not have to do this, but this is my second time doing pipe cleaner curls, and literally both times I left the lock out, but all I did was took a pipe cleaner and wrapped that one lock around the pipe cleaner and called it a day. So when it's time to take down your pipe cleaners, you just want to make sure that they are completely dry. I left mine in for about a week, but you definitely don't have to leave them in that long. Just make sure that when you do take them down, they are completely dry. I like to go in, rub a little oil on my hands, and then begin taking the pipe cleaners down the same way I put them in. And this process is super repetitive, so I'm just going to let you watch me take them down and then come back when it's time to separate the curls. This part of the process is completely optional. Some people like to leave their little ringlets in. I was so ready for my volume that I took them out and I completely separated the curls as soon as I took them down. And honestly, of the entire process, this step was my favorite because you just literally get to go through and play with the curls and look at all the different curls. And they were so beautiful. I was just so in awe the entire time. So there's not really much else to this part except for you shaping and separating your curls as you please. So I'm going to leave you to watch me do that with a few more, and then I'll come back when it's time to reveal the final look. So these are my final results, and I was so satisfied. They came out so beautifully, and I will definitely be doing this style again and again and again. If you see my results and you want a more tighter curl, then do less locks per pipe cleaner. If you want a more looser curl, then do more locks per pipe cleaner. But keep in mind that it also depends on the size of your locks. So now I'm just going to leave you to looking at these beautiful results, and I'm also going to be showing you what some of my favorite curls look like, and I'll be back to close out the video. So now that you've seen my entire process and the results, comment down below if you have any additional questions that I may have missed in this video. Also, let me know if you'll be trying this style out on your locks, or if you've already tried this style out and how you liked it. Alright family, so those are all the tips and tricks that I have for you when it comes to installing pipe cleaners on your Microlocs. If this video helped you at all, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time coming across my channel. I am so excited to have you here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!